If we're going to stop any more clouds from appearing, we need to find Luna Girl.
Let's take another look at the sprinkler tank. Maybe we'll find a clue. To the cat car!
It wasn't me. It's coming from over there. It's Luna Girl. What's she doing? Luna power, make clouds. And move them into the tank.
What are you up to, Luna Girl?
What a surprise. I knew it wouldn't be long before you were back to do your goody-goody work. Why are you making all these dark clouds? No one could play today. That's the idea, lizard legs. I never get to play silly summer games, so I'm going to block out the sun with my black clouds, so you can't either. But you can play with us. Tag! Play a happy daytime game with the pesky PJ Masks. Blech. Today was just a test. But once the tank is full, I'll let all these clouds out at once, and summer will be over! No more summer? That would be horrible.
You two distract Luna Girl. Then I'll get her Luna Magnet, reverse it, and suck all the clouds back inside.
Oh, yeah? Think you can steal my Luna Magnet, eh, Catboy? Well, look what I've got for you.
How are clouds gonna stop me?
Well, I know how much cats hate water, so these are rain clouds. Luna power, send those clouds to Catboy!
Don't worry, just stick to the plan. I can handle this.
Okay, Catboy, be strong.
Oh, maybe I can't handle it. Ah!
No clouds. Rain on Catboy wherever he goes. Catboy, what are you doing? We need you. Got to get that Luna Magnet.
Go away, horrible, boring cloud!
Owlette, you distract Luna Girl. I'll go help Catboy. Super Owl Wings! Over here, Luna Girl. Can't catch me. Hey! Gekko, be quick! I'm coming, Catboy! Come on, Catboy, you can do it! Luna power! Clear up that lizard! Oof! Get it off me! I can't see anything! Mox, get her! Whoa! Shoot! Shoot! Catboy! Oh, get off me, Cloud!
If I can just keep out of this rain.
Ah! My Luna Magnet! Run, Catboy, run!
Come on, Catboy. Oh, yeah! Catboy runs like the wind with his super...
It's wet! It's wet! Ah! Catboy, I'm coming to help you! Luna board! More clouds! More clouds! Super Owl Wings!
No, water! So wet! Oh, why me?
Catboy, you have to stop worrying about staying dry. If we don't stop Luna Girl by dawn, she's going to cloud up the whole sky.
I'm sorry, I hate getting wet. But you're right, I won't let you down again.
Then let's go. Ah! Luna power! I can go back to filling the tank with more clouds. Luna power! Make more clouds! And put them in the tank!
Catboy, help us! I can do this. I hate getting wet, but not as much as I hate letting my friends down. It's time to be a hero! Super Cat Speed! I'm coming, PJ Masks! Faster than lightning, whoa! The amazing Catboy runs under the clouds, whoa! Making them all follow him.
What? Wait, what are you doing?
If I'm going to get wet, Luna Girl, so are you.
Ow! I'm soaked! Stop! Stop!
Got it! Now I've just got to reverse this thing.
Yes, it's working!
Whoa! Gekko, quick! Help me get rid of the clouds in the tank.
On it, Catboy! Super Gekko muscle! We've done it! All the clouds are gone!
And we saved the sunshine.
Give me that back! No! My Luna Magnet! How am I supposed to use it now? I'll fix this and get you next time, PJ Masks! You did it, Catboy! We knew you could!
Getting wet wasn't so bad after all, especially since it meant saving my friends. PJ Masks, all shout hooray!
'Cause in the night we save the day!